Whoa, what is that?
That old thing? It's been here for ages.
No way, this is amazing.
She's still got that old growl, doesn't she?
She sure does. Your grandpa loved this bike.
I remember. She was a real beauty. Here you go, fair and square.
Thank you, dear. It's a deal. Be careful with that old thing.
I've got it, Grandma.
All right. You drive safe now.
I will. Bye, Grandma. All right, let's see what you've got.